Hello, this is Miss Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we're working on O3 Identify trapezoids. Well, what is a trapezoid? So we're going to learn with an example. Is this polygon a trapezoid? A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. In diagrams, we mark parallel sides with matching arrows. So in this case, matching arrow there, matching arrow here. So if I take a look at this particular polygon, when we talked about polygons in O1, we do not have two sides that are parallel. And parallel lines mean that two sides will never cross. So for an example, these two sides will cross eventually here and so forth. It has to be like railroad tracks. So moving on, is this polygon a trapezoid? Four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Top and bottom are parallel. Yes. Is this polygon a trapezoid? No, because we do not have two sets of parallel lines. These look like they're parallel, but if you look at the top, it's kind of going down, and the bottom one's perfectly flat, so they are not parallel. So not a trapezoid. Is this polygon a trapezoid? No, because look, if you look at this side and this side, they're at an angle, and it's also not a four-sided figure. This one's a definite no on that. This polygon a trapezoid, notice that the top and the bottom are marked with that special little arrow that indicates those lines are parallel, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that match. It is a four-sided object, so that's good. All right, 36 points, clicking right along. Is this polygon a trapezoid? We have a 1, 2, 3, four-sided object, and they mark this side right here being the same length as this side right here. Now, because they're not parallel, it's still a no. The two sides can be the same length, but it doesn't matter because they're still not parallel. So this one's a no. Is this polygon a trapezoid? Notice that right here we have a left side parallel with the right side, but I believe in a trapezoid it has to be a four-sided object. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sided. So I'm calling no on that one because it's not four-sided. All right, is this polygon a trapezoid? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, top and bottom are parallel. That meets the criteria. That's just like awesome and beautiful. All right, select all the trapezoids. We got a multiple choice question, four-sided. Left and right side are trapezoids, so that one's a go. This one here, definitely not. It is four sides, but two lines are not parallel at all in there, so it doesn't work. Down here, bottom left and right are parallel, and bottom right, left and right are also parallel, and they're all four-sided. So notice there's kind of a pattern here. So here we go. Select all the trapezoids. Oh, these are kind of fun. Just pick the ones that work. Four sides, two lines are parallel, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Two lines are not parallel in here, so that doesn't work. Here, we have four sides, and top and bottom are parallel, and bottom right, definitely more than four sides, and two lines are not even parallel, so that one's way out. It doesn't work. Select all the trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, left and right are parallel. Top right, four sides, left and right are parallel. Bottom left, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, left and right are parallel. We're going for a home run on this one. Looks like all of them. And 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and left and right are parallel. So that one works. All right, select all the trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and left and right are parallel. Beautiful. Select all the trapezoids here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, two sides are not parallel. That don't match, so no way on that. All right, so we have four sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top and bottom are parallel. And bottom right here, we have top and bottom are parallel, and it is four sides. That works. All right, cooking right along at 72 points. Select all the trapezoids. Be careful in this one. This is more than four sides. So top left is out. And select all the trapezoids here. More than four sides. Here, more than four sides. Looks like the bottom right is the only one with four sides, and left and right are parallel. All right, looks like two more to go. Select all the trapezoids. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Way more than four sides. No on the top left. top right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Left and right are parallel. And bottom left, top and bottom are parallel. Right and left are not. We just need 2 matching sides. It's good. And it's 4 sides. And this one is not because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6-sided figures. So no on that. And one more to go. Select all the trapezoids. Top and bottom match. They are parallel, but be careful. This is a pentagon. It's a 5-sided figure. It's actually an irregular pentagon because they're not even the same length. So no on that top left. Top right's a yes because left and right are parallel. 4 sides, yes. Bottom left, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but no parallel lines. And bottom right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, no. So I'm not going to pick that one. And 81 points. Thank you. And have a fabulous day. This concludes IXL. Oh.